If Monday.com is suddenly showing an unknown error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back to work without wasting time. These are simple troubleshooting methods you can try and order, and most of the time, one of them will solve the issue. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. First, start with the simplest fix: refresh the page. Sometimes an unknown error is just a temporary loading issue, and a quick refresh is enough to get Monday.com working again. If that does not help, the next step is to sign out of your Monday.com account and then sign back in. This can clear a minor session issue and reconnect your account properly. If the error is still there, the next thing to do is clear your browser cache and cookies. On most browsers, you can use Control, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard to open the Clear Browsing Data menu. From there, select Cache and Cookies, then clear the data and restart your browser. This step is very important because old stored data can sometimes cause display problems or login conflicts inside Monday.com. After that, check your browser extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, can interfere with Monday.com and trigger an unknown error. Open your browser menu, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and turn off any ad blockers or suspicious extensions. Once they are disabled, refresh Monday.com and see if the issue is gone. Another very useful step is to turn off any VPN or proxy you may be using. Monday.com can sometimes have trouble connecting correctly through a VPN or proxy, so disable it and refresh the page. If that still does not fix it, switch to a different internet connection. For example, try a mobile hotspot or another Wi-Fi network, then refresh Monday.com again. This helps you figure out whether the problem is with your current network. You should also make sure you are using a supported browser. The best browsers to use are Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. If you are using something else, try opening Monday.com in one of those browsers instead. A browser compatibility issue can sometimes be the reason you see an unknown error message. If you go through all of these steps in order, you have a very good chance of fixing the issue quickly. To recap, refresh the page, sign out and back in, clear cache and cookies, disable extensions, turn off VPN or proxy, try another network, and use Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. These steps solve most Monday.com unknown error problems without needing anything more advanced. I hope this tutorial helped you get Monday.com working again. If it did, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful software guides, troubleshooting tips, and step-by-step fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.